Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure the Salesforce app in BoldDesk to enhance your support workflow. The Salesforce integration allows support agents to view customer-centric data directly within BoldDesk, including details from Salesforce objects like accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities. To begin with, log in to the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator. Navigate to the admin module and open the marketplace. Search for and click the Salesforce app to open the Salesforce integration page and click Install. This will redirect you to the Salesforce login page. Enter your credentials and click Login. Verify your identity and click Allow to complete the installation. Next, you need to configure field visibility from Salesforce objects like Contact, Lead, Account, and Opportunity. Select the required fields for each Salesforce object to be displayed only on the ticket details page. A maximum of 10 fields can be selected for each object. Once done, click Next. On the next page, I will enable synchronization for contacts and contact groups between BoldDesk and Salesforce. This will be explained further in upcoming videos. Once you have completed this step, click Next. To enable ticket synchronization, toggle the switch to turn on syncing. You can synchronize tickets when they are created, updated, or both. Next, in the status mapping section, link BoldDesk ticket statuses with Salesforce case statuses. Only mapped statuses will sync correctly. Click Next to open the Permissions tab. Here, you will find options to configure permissions based on roles and brands. Complete the setup and click Save. Agents can now view Salesforce data directly from a ticket. Just open a ticket, click the Apps option in the right sidebar, and select the Salesforce app. Then, use the tabs to browse through the relevant Salesforce objects. Next, let me show you how the synced tickets act. When you create a ticket in BoldDesk, a corresponding case is automatically created in Salesforce, provided ticket sync is enabled. If the ticket status is mapped in the status mapping section, it will be reflected in Salesforce. If not, Salesforce will assign the default status New. Ticket updates such as subject, description, requester, contact group, and status are synced in real time. However, if a requester is removed from a ticket, the update will be skipped in Salesforce. Similarly, deleted tickets in BoldDesk will not be removed from Salesforce. That's how easy it is to install the Salesforce app and sync BoldDesk tickets for a seamless support experience. To learn more about Salesforce integration, check out this video's description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.